Okay, new topic, geometry. New module, this one starts at chapter 7. And this first exercise, so exercise 7a, is all about the properties of angles, triangles and polygons. The first thing that comes up is an equation, and that equation is 180 minus 360 divided by n. That equals the internal angle of any polygon. Okay, n is the number of sides. Okay, so if you're asked to find out the internal angle of a polygon, which is one of the first questions in this chapter, okay, you need to have this formula ready to go. Okay, so that needs to go in your summary book. There is a second one they give you there, where 360 divided by n is also the external angle of any, and again it's any polygon, where n is the number of sides. Okay, so they're the two rules that start off this chapter: finding the internal angle, okay, or finding the external angle. Some of the other things you'll need to know and are covered early on in this chapter are the definitions. So this, okay, means angle A, B, C. But where do A, B and C go? Okay, A, B, C. Okay, and this angle is acute. So if they're talking about an acute angle, it means the angle is less than 90 degrees. Okay, so less than 90 degrees. Not equal to, I shouldn't have drawn that, that's just going to confuse you. Less than 90 degrees. Okay, you can have a right angle, okay, which has the symbol that, so that equals 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is between 90 to 180 degrees. Okay, a straight angle is 180 degrees. Okay, and it's called a straight angle. And there is one more, which I'll just draw over here, and that's called a reflex arc. Okay, which is greater than 180 degrees, and that's called a reflex arc. Okay, so acute angles less than 90, obtuse angles between 90 and 180, reflex arc greater than 180. Okay, and there are special angles for 90, which is called a right angle, and a straight angle is 180. Okay, there are more symbols. Two lines with arrows on them like that, okay, they are parallel, okay, which never meet. Okay, they're always going to stay that same difference apart. Okay, there is a perpendicular. I'm not going to fit it there, I'll write underneath. Perpendicular, okay, which means at right angle. Okay, so parallel lines will never meet. Perpendicular means they're at a right angle. There are a couple more, and these are all in your book if you want to copy them down from there. Okay, where we have A and B. Okay, that's called a line and has the symbol. Okay, so that's line AB. Okay, you might have or come across one that has A to B, which is called a ray. Okay, and has the symbol AB. So that's called a ray. A ray means it's going in A ray means it's going in one direction. A line can go in either. There is another one. You'll notice that this has arrows on the outer edges. If your line doesn't have arrows on the outer edges, so it's just A and B like that, then that's called a line segment and has the symbol. Okay, so line segment. Now put these in your summary book because they are important. If you come across symbols like this, you need to know what they are and where you can find them. Okay, so I highly recommend you put these in your summary book.